want you, yeah. You know I love you, yeah. No one above you, yeah. You know I love you, yeah. You know I need you, yeah. I really need you, yeah. I wanna bleed you, yeah. I really need you, yeah.
Poppy Chulo TV, headed to the sound competition / car show, Laughlin, Arizona. Yes, sir. We outside. Poppy Chulo TV is out. We outside Car Club. Yeah, heard me. That's just 2 of the cars right now, including myself. 1 more in the back. On our way. We outside. Yeah, on the video, on the way to the sound competition, Laughlin, Arizona. Part of the lineup. Part of the lineup. We outside. Yup. We outside. That boy right there too. You gonna see him there. He got some stuff up under there. Yes, he got speakers, he got amps, he got alternators, he got big old blowhorns on the side of the thing. He ain't no joke. Yep, it's part of the lineup, it's part of our crew. We got some more folks gonna meet us there cause we outside. That's why. Yep. We outside. For sure, for sure. I'ma be on the roof. Meet me at 2. I'ma be ready. Yeah. It's like I just be styling. I be wildin'. I ain't Gina, but baby, I'm crazy. Hey, 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 Look, baby, I see you calling me. I picked up for a reason. Ain't it nice to have a person you can call on when you need it? I put a 20 in my gas tank and now I'm on my way. It's like I can hear from a mile away when you call my name. It don't matter where I am, cause I'm gonna come to you. And I always got your back, yeah, boy, you know I do. Club members, we outside. This is what we doing. We got beat all up and out through these cars. Car club. Not lowrider club, we got some lowriders too, but it's a car club. We got many different varieties of cars up in there. You'll be seeing us. Matter of fact, go to the We Outside Car Club page on Instagram. Check us out. We outside. This is the Vegas chapter. Not the beginnings. This is New Beginnings Vegas chapter, starting out in Vegas. You heard me? Outside. Yeah, the car in front of me sound like King Kong and Godzilla when they be running through the neighborhood. That's what the back of their cars sounded like. Feel that? That ain't me. Yeah, that ain't me. That's them gorillas in them 2 cars ahead of me.
outside, so I cleared through right here. Hey, my boy got that brisket right there. I'm gonna check him out tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he gonna shut down early, so he got prepare for tomorrow. Gotta get my tooth like, I got time. I just wanted to get myself prepared. know, y'all, this is what they do. I hope you two don't be too mad at me because I don't own the rights to none of this. I hope you two don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at me. Can you take a picture? Can you take a picture of the menu?
Hey, how you doing, brother?
All right. Hey, I see you got a phone number. This is my crazy question. If I call from the room tomorrow about 10:30, could I order a plate like to pick up right? Or wait till I get here?
Brother, come on now. You know better.
I can give you a holler on the phone. I'm gonna hit you up on the phone line so when I get here, I can get busy right away.
I do text message, I do voicemail.
Yeah. Okay.
All that. No more kids, brother.
All right.
Pick up those.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Ready tomorrow too, man.
Yeah. I'm talking about that brisket though. Yeah. I'm on you. I'm on it. Okay. Stay up the dirt. Now here you go. Starting to see it now.
Bumblebee. I can rev my shit up too. Mine's got a governor on it, but it's still loud.
Got that governor? Got that governor? Check out the passengers in here.
Saw Hub show me. I can see the hood thing.
Yep.
And I can get one for the president on it. We outside.
Yeah.
Front black. I'm like, oh, good idea.
Don't play with them. Don't play with them.
See, this is where the party gonna be on here.
Real speakers. Yeah.
Side to that side, it was huge.
That's what they, how do they work on these space? Look, my boy right there, my boy. Demon. You got them demons.
Some niggas punch your ass and then send it to rock. Tell me why you seem so tame when I caught you at the airport shaking like a crap. You see my niggas. I said it and I'ma keep it where I said it. Solidness is embedded, my DNA and genetics, and I don't listen to rap if the music ain't got no message making that petty. My specialty being broken, my pedigree like a whole Western movie. I like to drink and get whiskey, bitch. That's my.
I trade the Bob Chevy for that blue and white Jimmy right there.
Then we come with that.
Oh yeah, I love that. Him and Mike go together because Mike's fit in his car though. Barely. Mike can't fit. Barely. My shoes are already dirty.